I've discovered the magic of tea tree oil. Not only does tea tree oil soothe blemishes, skin irritations, and oily skin, it can also be used around the house to sanitize surfaces. It can help boost your laundry, and it can even be used as a natural pest control. Who knew? Let me show you how. The first thing to keep in mind is tea tree oil is a powerful and effective natural ingredient. Whether organic or pure, tea tree oil should be diluted before you use it on your skin. I use Desert Essence tea tree oils. They are sustainably harvested from Melaleuca alterifolia trees that grow in the arid plains of eastern Australia. If you have problem skin, you can stop spots in their tracks with a blemish touch stick. And to help reduce and soothe skin irritations or itchiness, you can gently cleanse with kinder to skin tea tree oil. Another option, apply 1 drop of tea tree oil to a wet cotton ball and dab lightly onto problem areas. It's also great for healthy hair. Just add a few drops to your favorite shampoo to cleanse and rejuvenate your scalp. Tea tree oil helps break up product buildup, excess hair oil, and dead skin. Now more than ever, we need to keep our hands clean. Unfortunately, frequent hand washing can be harsh on your skin. Desert Essence's range of probiotic hand sanitizers use tea tree oil, natural grain alcohol, and probiotic kefir to help keep germs at bay while conditioning skin so it feels soft and moisturized. Tea tree oil is very versatile around the home. Adding a few drops of pure Australian tea tree oil to a water spray bottle can help clean countertops, windows, tile, and even kitchen surfaces. You can even keep pesky pests away. To deter household ants, simply spray outdoor surfaces with an oil and water solution around the points of entry, like doors and windows. I love to boost my laundry with a fresh, natural, chemical-free scent by adding 3 to 4 drops during the wash cycle, or add to eco-friendly wool balls in the dryer. The beauty of tea tree oil is the soothing, rejuvenating, and cleansing effects it has to naturally treat your skin, hair, and even keep you healthy without chemicals. If you'd like to try tea tree oil at home, you'll find a wide variety of products containing this versatile ingredient at desertessence.com.